Hello, my name is Anya Prosvetova. I now live and work in Amsterdam for Kosuno, a startup in construction industry. I am a BI analyst in the team, and I'm responsible for all the data processes that we have. I started my career in data after working in consulting, marketing and sales, and cultural institutions, because I thought that the career in data will help me to bring together my creative side and my technical side. And I wasn't wrong. It was a great choice, and now every day I can create some new things, even though it can be dashboards or chart or data pipeline, but I also can learn a lot about new technologies and how you can use them to automate a lot of business processes. I really enjoyed my time at the data school. It was a great experience of meeting people of different backgrounds, learning new skills, and embracing the new industry I have now worked before. It was a great experience in terms of learning how to deal with customer questions, how to scope and understand better business requirements and the project at hand, and how to just have fun with data and learn something new every day. Being a part of the data school program and the information lab overall was a great experience. It didn't only give me skills in Tableau and Alteryx, but on a broader scale, it gave me skills of being a data analyst and working with data and trying to get insights from the data to help the business grow forward. So that was a great starting point for my career in data, and I would do it all again. One of the great advantages of being a part of the data school program is working in diverse environments and on different projects. For example, when I was a data schooler, I had 4 different placements which were ranging from a public health charity, a big international bank, but also a special placement where I was specifically training people in using Tableau and Alteryx and also helping them in their everyday job to solve technical issues in Tableau and Alteryx. And it was a great experience to explore different industries and see how people work in different industries, but at the same time understand that a lot of data questions are quite similar, whether you work in a big bank or in a public health charity. While being at the data school, I was also actively involved in the Tableau community, and recently I became a Tableau Visionary. And it was a great experience to meet new people, to learn new things about the tool that you use every day. But also it was really helpful in my career because it gave me an opportunity to practice my presentation skills, to learn how to explain quite complex topics to a general audience who maybe have never worked with some technical questions like APIs or coding. So that was a really useful experience, and it definitely benefited my career. I now work in Amsterdam at Kosuno. It's a startup in the construction industry striving to automate a lot of manual processes. I am a BI analyst and I work on all the different data projects across the company. In my day-to-day job, I can be found talking to different teams across the company, trying to understand their KPIs and their data project requirements. I can be building and monitoring data pipelines using dbt and Fivetran. And I also can be found building dashboards and charts and trying to get the insight from the data we have to help different teams across the company make the best decision possible. If I think about my career in data and what I enjoy most about it, I think it's the aspect of helping people and businesses in general sense to understand the data they have, to understand how they can use it to gain advantage in the business, and also help to automate manual processes in everyday life of different teams in the company. I think that's a great feeling to have. If I were to give an advice to someone who is thinking about applying to the data school, I would say just go for it. And the most importantly, do not be afraid to ask questions if you're not sure how to build something or just want a different opinion on your visualization. It's always great to hear a different opinion about the same work that you have been looking at for several days, but also meet new people and learn more about the industry.